Hi, welcome back to day number 13 of our 28-day challenge. Today, we're going to practice reintegration into daily life after our Qigong practice. So we've been doing our standing meditation. Our eyes are closed. We want to slowly come back. So close your eyes with me. And we're at the end of our session. Pretend we're at the end of our session. We've been doing standing Zen. We want to come back slowly. We don't want to be startled. So just for a moment, feel the point below your belly button. A few fingers down, a few fingers in. With your eyes still closed. Rub your hands together briskly, generating warmth, warming up your palms. Place your warm palms over your eyes and enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. And then slowly blink open your eyes, allowing some light in. Then slowly lift your palms, allowing more light in. And then rub your face with a dry wash. Circle, circle, circle up. Fingertips to your scalp. Massage the back of your neck. Massage your shoulders. Sigh of relief. We're going to take our index finger, inside corner of your eyes. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Go up, inner corner of your eyebrow. Rotating. Swipe from the inner corner of your eyebrow to the outer corner of your eyebrow. Do that a few times and search for a divot right in the middle. That's where we're going next, right above the pupils. And then to the outer corner of the eyebrow. Rotating. Down to the outer corner of the eye. Swiping under the eyes. Finding a point below each pupil. Back to the inner corner of the eye. Both fingers down the ridge, the top of the nose. Down the base, the bottom of the nose. 2 divots at the bottom. 2 behind the ears. There's 2 on the temples, but we're going to use our palms there. And then we're going to put our palms over our ears and create a vacuum and drum with our fingers where our head meets the pillow. And that is coming back in reintegration using self-applied massage.